Hi, I'm Yaakov Horowitz, and welcome to our series of classes on Chumash fundamentals. And the big idea is to help you become an independent learner of Chumash by teaching you how the Hebrew language works, the system that we have of root words, shorashim, and a prefix and suffix, and to be able to connect those Lego pieces together. One way of learning Chumash is to do it by rote, where you have to memorize every single word. I propose that a much more effective way of learning it is to understand how it works so that you can become an independent learner. And if you want to know why this is so important, just look at this list here. This is Hebrew nouns according to frequency of occurrence. Okay, so these 38 nouns occur between 500 and 5,000 times just in Chumash alone. And the list below is between 300 and 500 times. So if you learn the root words and you learn prefix and suffix, you can basically do it on your own. There's a similar list for Hebrew verbs, which also comes across as the same idea. So for example, we'll take a shorish doing Parshas Lech Lecha, and starting from the beginning. The Aleph Mem Resh means to say. Okay, that's a shorish. Almost all shorashim, all root words, shorashim is plural of shorish. Almost all shorashim have 3 letters. There are some exceptions, but that's basically it. And we color coded here so you can see it more clearly, see where the cursor is. So the word amar is to say, vayomer is and he said. So the vav is a prefix, that means and. The yud is a prefix, that means he. Amar is to say, and he said. Same thing. Amarti is I said. The taf yud is a prefix that means I did this action. And lemar is to say. Okay, so these are just 3 examples of how the Lego, so to speak, fits together. Now, if you didn't know this, you would literally have to memorize all these different words when all you basically need to know are the fundamentals. So this is what it looks like, in a more color-coded way. So v'amarta, okay, prefix, and you shall say, would be a complex word that has the shorish of Aleph Mem Resh, amar, as its root. Okay, then you have tomer, and amra, she said. So again, these are examples of how we take a root word and clip on a prefix and suffix. Some of them have multiples, 2 prefixes, for example, like we had vayomer. And getting accustomed to this knowledge will really help us be able to really master Chumash and become an independent learner. And you'll be surprised at how quickly you'll pick it up if you start learning this way. So here are 6 examples of the word with Amar as a shorish. Okay, Vatomer, and she said, Imri, to say, okay, Ve'amru, and they said, so on and so forth. So this is the end of lesson number 1. We'll continue with this tomorrow. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you.